Hi, it's Chris here and welcome to this AppsKitPro review. For those of you wanting to take your business to that next level, or maybe your client's business to that next level by incorporating mobile apps, native mobile apps into your business, this product is definitely for you. AppsKitPro is going to allow you to create native apps that you can upload to the Apple Store or GooglePlay, and the best part is you don't need to know any kind of technical knowledge or programming whatsoever. Today we're going to take a deep dive into AppsKitPro and we're going to take an over-the-shoulder look at exactly what you can expect. As well as that, I've also gotten you some really cool exclusive bonus products that are going to go hand in hand with AppsKitPro, so you get the absolute most out of it and you can really hit the ground running with a massive overall bundle. Before we get into that though, it'd really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, and if you want to stay updated with new platforms that are going to help you make money online, hit subscribe and turn on that little bell notification. Also, if at any point in this video you want to jump ahead and check out AppsKitPro on your own, I recommend you go through the link in the description, because that way you'll be entitled to my exclusive bonuses. So by clicking that link in the description, you'll be taken through to my bonus page, which looks like this. Legal stuff at the top, as well as my contact details if you have any problems. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official AppsKitPro vendor sales page. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, what that essentially does is lock in all of these bonuses, so that if you do decide to purchase AppsKitPro, you'll not only get AppsKitPro, but you'll also get all of these bonuses thrown in with it, so you'll be able to access all of that together immediately. Now, the first bonus I've gotten for you here is called mobile marketing. So because you are going to be creating native mobile apps using AppsKitPro, I figured I'd throw this bonus in so you can get some fundamental knowledge about how you can further market within the app that you create. So this goes into what is mobile marketing and how it's different from normal digital marketing, mobile marketing strategies you can use, how to create an app for your business, so outside of AppsKitPro, but there'll definitely be some crossover with how you can market within AppsKitPro using the strategies that this bonus talks about. And as well as that, there's also some great gold nuggets in there about social marketing on mobile. The second bonus I've gotten for you is called online business systemization. So that generally means creating a systemized, automatic online business that can help you make money as passively as possible. So this is really helping you to look at the different parts of your online business, no matter what you're doing, whether you have an online store, drop shipping, whether you're doing social media marketing, or an agency, freelancing, whatever. And it helps you outline areas that you can systemize, how you can systemize that, and really how you can decrease the workload on yourself so that you can work more on the business instead of being in it so much. The third bonus I've gotten for you is called evergreen leads. Now, I know when people have an online business, whether it's to do with mobile or whatever, one of the biggest milestones you get to when you've set everything up is, how do I get leads? It's a massive problem. It's a continual thing that you'll always have to think about, but you can make things easy. There are things that you can learn to make things easier. For example, sources of traffic and things like that. So this is a massive product. It goes into where you can find leads from question answer groups and websites like Quora, different social media platforms, how to access your target audience on the different platforms, email as well. There's some really good information there on writing copy and compelling people to, you know, read your posts and read your content and then go through to your website or app or whatever. A really great product here that I think is going to help you maximize the way you use AppsKitPro. Fourth bonus I've gotten for you here is called email marketing success. Now, if you're creating native apps, I do recommend that you include some kind of email capture form, as you would with any website or landing page. The reason for that is there's a reason people say the money's in the list. If you cultivate a healthy email list, you know what that really is traffic that you don't have to rely on passively to visit your sites. You can proactively capture that audience and go after them with your offers, with whatever you have going on in your business, and you can, more so proactively trigger sales in your target audience, because you know they've likely downloaded or shown interest in what you have had to offer before. So email marketing is just if you haven't thought about it before, it's a crucial part of every online business. So I threw this in there because I think, again, it's going to go well with AppsKitPro. Once you get the ball rolling with AppsKitPro, you're going to want to capture emails, and you're going to want to know how to manage effectively your email list. Bonus number 5 I've gotten for you is the vendor has hooked me up with a whole heap of bonuses to give to you. We'll go through them really quickly. The first one is called Social Media Agency. Number 2 is cartoon images, so images that you can put into your app, I suppose, to make it look, more customized. Call to action buttons, same kind of thing. Facebook timeline covers and ads. We've got 100 personalized company logos with commercial rights. We've got simple form builders, premium content opt-in page creator, a blog auto poster. We've got an auto blog builder, and really what I've noticed straight away with all those bonuses from the vendor is they have this thing that is going to help you out with the design aspect. So when you're creating that native app on AppsKitPro, you're going to be able to use unique images, buttons, things like that, call to actions and forms, so that your app looks, extra special. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1. Click the link in the description. You'll go to the bonus page, click on this green button, and that will lock in all those bonuses I just talked about before then sending you off to the vendor sales page, which looks like this. I'd recommend you go through and look at this in your own time, so we're not here all day. And if you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this. And as I said, under the green button will be your AppsKitPro purchase, and under the blue button will be all the bonuses that I just talked about. My email is here if you have any problems. I will say that keep your eye on this countdown timer because this is a launch week special. So when it does hit 0, any discount pricing, any bonuses, any preloaded coupon codes, which are definitely going to exist in the first couple of days with AppsKitPro through my link, they will no longer be available. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the lower price. So without further ado, let's take a look at AppsKitPro and see exactly what you can expect.
Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how you build an app from start to finish using the platform. First thing you do, click Add New. You enter in your information here. Okay, so I've gone ahead and filled out this stuff that's required. Outlet name, app name, all that stuff is filled out. It's pretty self-explanatory. The one thing that you would want to know is the category. So we have a bunch of pre-built types of apps already pre-built, and whatever you select here will have everything turned on for you that's relevant to that type of business. So for example, if you're selecting cafe, you'll have food ordering system, points rewards, punch cards, that kind of stuff that's already turned on for you. You will be able to go in and update it and add things if you needed to, but that's what this has done. So this is going to be a coach or a trainer, and I will hit submit, and you'll see it's been added successfully. When I come back to my list here, you will see it at the top of my list. Now, the automatic mail content is what you can send to your clients. So when you've sold in the app, you click this link and it will send them the email that you just created in the account. It will send them the welcome email that you're sending, that you created over here in the auto mail content. So we have a welcome mail that goes out for your resellers and all the account information. You can customize this to do whatever you want. But let's stick to the building process. So we have now created the app at the top here. You see the create app link right here. If we click on that, you will see the areas where you can customize the color schemes, the images and background. So the login screen, you can put a custom image there. All the image sizes are mentioned here, and the types of image, if it's PNG or JPEG, it would be mentioned there. You can configure the features. Like I said, when you select the category of apps, all the features that are relevant to that category will come as turned on, and you can see what they are. If you want to turn something off or on, you can just basically come in here and do that. And now this is no longer on. Same thing if you want to turn it, this is no longer on, so if you want to turn something from off to on, you would just basically make it active. Okay, so I will just do something like that, make this active, and away we go. So that's all the features here listed in the platform. Your next step would be the menu, and we will use, I will just use the standard menu, but the layout 4 is the advanced menu. I didn't create an image for this one yet, that's why I'm not using this. The required images, these are the kinds of images you're going to need. You're going to need the icons, a login screen, the home screen of the app, a smaller icon, a splash screen. Those are the main images that you're going to need to create the app. So I didn't create an image for the menu, but you can also create a custom image for the menu. Okay, the publish section I will come back to after I've added all the images. So the publish section is where you enter the information that's required to publish the apps. This is for Google, this is for Apple. The Google stuff you enter yourself, and you'll be able to generate the source code, which we will do in this video. The Apple stuff, you fill out the information, upload the images, and we submit the Apple app for you. Okay, so let's go into the building part of the app. Okay, so once you've created the app, you would log in, okay, and come down to the settings. So this dashboard, what you're looking at, is the dashboard that your clients see. Okay, so all of your clients will see from the word dashboard all the way down. This is where they would manage the app. Okay, we can go into the different features after we've done the building process. So the first thing that you do is after you've logged in is go to the settings and come to the home screen. Now this is where the magic is. So this is already coming with, we selected a category of a coach, whatever. So it comes with some sort of a starter screen so that you can have an idea of what to do. But what we're going to do is we're going to delete this and replace it. So I'm just deleting this. And I'm going to replace it with the new screens that we built specifically for this app. So when you hit the Add New button, you get this screen, and this is where you can upload your own file. Okay, so the image sizes are mentioned here, 960 pixels wide with a maximum height of 3,000 pixels. If you need to go longer than that, you would have to create two separate images. Okay, so let me find the image that I want. This is the one that I want, and I'll just call it home. Let's call it home screen. And this is key. Coming down here, disregard all this stuff. You would assign a function to this screen, so we will say multifunction because this is where the magic is. So make sure you put multifunction. Okay, hit submit, and the screen will pop up on the outside. So this is the screen that we're now making for this specific app. Okay. Now, this is where the magic, like I said, in our platform happens. We don't use a template. We don't use layouts. We allow you to build an app strictly from with literally no limits, no boundaries. You're creating an app. This is the home screen of the app. So this is what people will always see when they open up the app. This was an image created in Photoshop by one of our designers, and we've uploaded the image into the system as you just saw, and now we're going to assign functionality to it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and assign functionality. Click on that link there, and it brings me into the image here, and I click on the image. Now I can make a hotspot. So I can take this, I can move it anywhere I want, I can put it wherever I want. And what I'm doing is I'm going to make a hotspot and map out the functionality on this app. So this would be a call us feature. And I'm just going to tell the system to go to the call us button. Okay. So now when anyone touches this area on the screen, it will take them to a phone number where it'll dial right from the device. Again, similarly, I'm going to do this for notifications. We're doing push notifications here. Title the screen. Okay. And say you're telling the system to go to notifications when anyone touches this area of the screen. So I'm going to finish mapping this out. Hang on a second. Okay, so I went ahead and mapped out the rest of the functions that I want to have on the home screen of this app. I didn't find an Instagram page, so I can put that there, but everything else has been pretty much mapped out, what we're adding. So these are the few functions that we're having on the home screen. It's all been done. I saved it, and now the app is essentially built. There are some things that you would want to come in here and customize. You know, you're building an app for your own specific customer, whether it's a clothing store, pizza place, hair salon, whatever the niche is. There are some things that come pre-built for you, but they're pre-built with dummy text. So if we were building a cafe or a pizza restaurant, it's going to come with text and things that are already pre-configured to that industry, but it's not going to say your customer's name. So if your customer's name, for example, is Joe's Pizza Place, it's not going to say Joe's Pizza Place or have his logo in any of the automated marketing tools that we've got. So let's take a look at what we should do after we've finished with the home screen. We've got the campaigns area, which is where we've created autopilots. Autopilots are automatic push notifications. So these are things that you can actually create for your clients, and there's a couple of things that you can add. So for example, you hit the add button and you create a welcome message. So I'm going to create that. Welcome, again, it can be to whoever. This is going to be a marketing event to marketing Central. Okay, this type of autopilot push notification, there's two options, a sign up or reminder. A sign up can only happen one time. So the first time someone downloads the app, they will get this sign up message. So I'm going to make the same headline here, and sorry, paste here. Let's put another message in here. Okay, so mobile. So this is the kind of stuff that you can customize, and you should customize for each of your clients. Okay, it'll come with some dummy text in most of the fields, but this is how you customize it. Whatever it comes with, obviously you're putting your own customer information in there. Okay, you hit the submit button, and now we've created an automatic push notification. So this goes out to anyone that downloads the app for the first time. Okay, similarly, we've got automated emails. None of these are set. You would want to set this stuff up as well. So a welcome email, so you can set up something here for your clients, add some imaging, add some messaging, welcome them to your rewards program or the app. Any kind of information that would be relevant to them would be set up here as well. Okay, so that's what you do that. And what else can we look at? I think that should cover it. Now I'm going to go to the publish part and actually publish this app while I have you guys here. So I will come back into the create app section, and let's go ahead and go to the image and background. I'm going to upload my screen here. So this is the login screen. Okay. Oh, wrong. This is a PSD file. I don't want that. I need a JPEG file. So the login screen that's a Photoshop file. I don't want that. This is the one that I want. So you can see the PNG. It comes right in the background there. I don't need a logo. So I'm going to go to the build section here. That's all done. Design, that's fine. The menu is fine. Now we go to the publish section. So right here, I need a splash screen. I will upload my splash screen, which is this one. Is that a PNG? It is. I will upload that. Okay, I need an app icon. I will get that. This is a large, this is a small. I've done that. Now my package name is important. So it's the name of the app, so I'm going to call it Marketing Alliance. Okay, query key, we're using the 1, 2, 3, 4. The app icon name again is Marketing Alliance. Okay, and the server key in the JSON file, there's a separate video on how to get that. I'm going to go ahead and make that right now, and I'll populate it, and I'll show you how to finish the build. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to be uploading pasting the server key here. So here's the server key. It's being pasted, and I will find the JSON file that I saved from the Google console. Right, I pasted the key. I upload the JSON file. Let me find it here. Hang on 1 second. It's in my downloads folder. There it is. I pasted it in, and now hit the update button, and now you see this key is ready to go. So I can now generate the source code, come back to the main page, hit the generate button, and 2 or 3 minutes later, you will have the app built. That's the end of it. Thanks for watching, guys.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're excited to see what AppsKitPro can do for you, and you're excited to get your hands on it. Really quickly, if you go through to my bonus page, again, you'll find a list of really the pricing and the different options they have available for you. Now, I will say that you do only need this front end offer in order to get access to the bonuses that I talked about earlier. So don't think you have to get all these upsells and one-time offers in order to get the bonuses. You do only need the basic package. Okay, so if you go through to my bonus page, again, you can look at the details of what you get in the front end, what you get in the AppsKitPro Mac Daddy package as well. There's the one-time offer number 2, which is the reseller franchise. One-time offer number 3 is the AppsKitPro Done For You kits. So done for you apps. Essentially, if you rather go in and modify instead of create your own from scratch, you might like that more. And then the one-time offer number 4 is the AppsKitPro VIP Academy, which is, you know, that extra level of high-level support and training. So just a ton of value when you take into consideration that you only need the front end to get access to those bonuses. There really is a ton of value on here if you do get in early. If you do have any questions, do feel free to hit me up in the comments, social media, or my email. I do reply to absolutely everybody. If not, enjoy AppsKitPro. Hope you love the bonuses as well, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.